ay, 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 ay.
Kirking Live Part 2. Happy banget hari ini dan Kirking sedang sakit, flu dan batuk. Kita doakan ya semoga cepat sembuh. Amin. Selamat datang di Diari DA Asia 6. Halo teman-teman, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Apa kabar hari ini? Semoga baik-baik saja ya. Ini adalah live Kirking part 2. Kirking hari ini sangat happy. Dan ternyata Kirking sedang sakit flu dan batuk. Semoga cepat sembuh ya. Kirking juga ada jerawat rindu nih yang tumbuh. Jerawat rindu pada wulan sepertinya. Cie. Semoga kegiatan hari ini lancar dan sukses ya Kirking. Ini adalah live Kirking part 2. Selamat menonton. Selamat menyaksikan.
Like who take care of my nephew, bring to school. Yeah. Bing, tingnan mo Bing, may laman. Yung ilong ko. No, yung ilong. Wala. Okay, go. I said to her if ada something on my nose. So okay guys, I'll be back on myself again. Nadabuang na natong English ani Clint. Yatay. Wala ko kasabot pud sa akong English. Halo-halo na jud ni ani. Ya Allah. Okay, go ka na. So yeah, it's over, almost near, and I'll be got the live nanti ya, and then I'll do live again on TikTok nanti. So you better watch out. You better not cry. Yeah, minum air banyak. I love air so banyak. So almost is never enough. So close to being in love. If I would have known that you wanted me the way I wanted you, baby, no. Oh Luciana, I miss you so much. Yeah, I was here, I live, I love. I was here, everything that I wanted, I done it by my side. I don't know the lyrics, dong. Yeah, but that's the favorite song of Luciana Gaverdale, guys. So yeah. Yeah, kurindu semuanya, kurindu. Ada wulan guys, I cannot see because I will bump here. If you want me to bump, I will just pause for a while. Stop the car for a while. No wulan yet. Yeah. Oh. Okay, go. Betapa hati rindu pada dirimu, duhai kekasihku. Apa next? Segala kembali pada diriku. Apa tuh? I lupa the lyrics. Okay, go. Nanti ya guys, me bump. I don't want to get bumped ya. Waiting. So macet. Clit, wala jud ko kasabot sa akong language. Nagduha-duha na silang tanan. I will live by my side. Oh yeah, ay, 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 ay. Sejak jumpa dia di suatu pesta, apa yang ku rasa, hatiku berbunga, lama ku mendamba, gejolak asmara, diriku merasa padamu hai darah, senyummu sungguh menawan, wajahmu ayu rupawan, kemana mata memandang, hanyalah dirimu yang selalu terbayang. Ay, 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 hatiku tergoda, ay, ay, ay. Okay, go ka na. Saat memandangmu hati bergetar, ay, 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 kau sungguh jelita, ay, 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 tak dapat ku lupa. Sorry guys. Ada wulan? No. No, this is not, guys, it's not true it's temporary, it's not true, it's erasable. Erasable, gusto mo yun, Clit? Erasable. Nanti if ako erase this one, it's almost gone. Yeah, di sini, it's gone already. Wait, yeah. Aku erase this. Oh, sudah. No more. No more, guys. Yeah, no more. Ada merah-merah. No more. Okay, go. So no more already. Kiriku okay. Sorry guys. Erasable. So, parang unstoppable. Irreplaceable. Kanta kasi yun. Gitu. Erase already. Okay, go. So wala nag-ice. So it's sudah. It's gone. No tattoo. Just being learned. Oh, so chantik. So chantik. Being so chantik. So apa itu? So princess, Disney princess. Oh, like Little Mermaid. Beng, say hi. Hi, sabi mo hi. Apa kabar? Sige na, bilis. Apa kabar? Totoo yun, hello yun sa kanya. Kamusta kayo? Parang ganun. Apa kabar? Like that. Go. Apa? Kabar? Yes. And then they will say, baik, like that. You say, apa tuh? Asyadu. You bing, apa tuh, like, transfer. You transfer religion. Asyadu Allah. Like that. Okay, wait me nanti di sini, Bing, ya. because huh? Okay, go. Okay, guys. Nanti okay, nanti guys, I will do live again on TikTok. So I'll just post it on in here in apa to like in my IG account, and then I'll see you again. Nadia, guys. This Bing Bing, this is the we apa to like client, kailangan ko ng tulong mo kasama sa bahay. Ano ba tawag dun sa English? Okay. So, alright. So, guys, I will see you again later. I'll do live stream on TikTok. So, just watch out for my post here on my IG account story. So, I'll see you again. Da. Sabihin mo, Bing, dada. Dada is...
Kita doakan semoga Kirking cepat sembuh sakit flu dan batuknya, dan Kirking selalu sehat dan diberikan kelancaran di segala kegiatannya. Amin ya Allah ya Rabbal Alamin. Kita tunggu ya jadwal Kirking balik ke Indonesia, secepatnya akan ada infonya. Oke teman-teman, terima kasih sudah menonton video ini. Nantikan update video berikutnya. Wassalamualaikum.